Hello ladies, welcome to this channel where you will learn how to become the best version of yourself. Today we're discussing how to dress more feminine. Whether you're looking to change up your wardrobe or want to embrace your feminine side, these tips will help you achieve a more feminine look. Tip number 1. Experiment with different styles. The first step to dressing more feminine is to experiment with different styles. This means trying on different outfits and seeing what flatters your body shape and make you feel confident. Some feminine styles to consider are flowy dresses, skirts, and blouses. These styles can help to accentuate your curves and create a more feminine silhouette. It is important to understand that different styles may look different on different people. That is why it's important to experiment with various styles to find what looks best on you. One way to experiment with styles is to try on different types of dresses, such as A-line dress, shift dress, wrap dress, or maxi dress. A-line dresses are great for creating a feminine silhouette and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Shift dresses are a classic feminine style that can also be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Wrap dresses are great for accentuating your waist and hips and can be very flattering on many body types. Maxi dresses are great for a summery and feminine look. Another way to experiment with styles is to try on different types of skirts, such as pencil skirt, A-line skirt, and flare skirts. Pencil skirts are great for creating a sleek and polished look. A-line skirts are great for accentuating your waist and hips. Flare skirts are great for creating a feminine silhouette. These types of skirts can be paired with a blouse or a sweater. You can also experiment with different types of tops, such as blouses, sweaters, and t-shirts. Blouses are a classic feminine choice. Sweaters are a great option for cold weather, and t-shirts are a casual option. These tops can be paired with a nice skirt or pants. In short, tip number 1 is about trying on different outfits and seeing what flatters your body shape and make you feel confident. Tip number 2. Pay attention to fabric. When it comes to dressing more feminine, the choice of fabric is important. Soft and flowy fabrics can add a touch of elegance and femininity to any outfit. Here are some examples of fabrics to consider. Silk. This fabric is known for its luxurious and delicate texture. Silk dresses or blouses can add a feminine touch to any outfit. Chiffon. Chiffon is a lightweight and sheer fabric that drapes beautifully. A chiffon blouse or dress can add a romantic and feminine touch to your outfit. Lace. Lace is a delicate and intricate fabric that can be used in a variety of ways. A lace dress, skirt, or blouse can add a touch of feminine and elegant touch to your outfit. Satin. Satin is a smooth and shiny fabric that can add a touch of luxury to your outfit. A satin blouse or dress can add a feminine and sophisticated touch to your look. Tulle. Tulle is a lightweight and airy fabric that can add volume and texture to an outfit. A tulle skirt or dress can create a romantic and feminine look. These fabrics can be incorporated in a variety of ways, from a simple blouse or scarf to a full dress or skirt. The key is to choose fabrics that feel comfortable and flattering to your body type and that complement your personal style. Tip number 3. Accessorize. Accessorizing is an important part of dressing more feminine. Elegant jewelry, such as a pair of lovely earrings or a delicate necklace, can add a touch of class and elegance to your look. A scarf or a belt can also add a feminine touch to an outfit. And don't forget the shoes, ladies. High heels can add a touch of glamour and femininity to any outfit. When it comes to jewelry, simple and elegant pieces can add a touch of class and elegance to your look. For example, stud earrings, delicate necklaces, or bracelets can be great options. You can also choose statement pieces that make a bold fashion statement, which I personally love. Scarves and belts are also great options to accessorize your outfits. Scarves can add a touch of color and texture to an outfit and can be worn in different ways, such as wrapped around your neck or tied to your handbag. Belts can help to define your waist and create a more feminine silhouette. Shoes can also play a big role in completing a feminine look. High heels can make your legs look longer and slimmer. Flats, such as ballet flats, can also be a great option for a more casual and comfortable look. It is also important to note that accessories should complement your overall look rather than overpower it. It's also important to choose accessories that match your personal style and that make you feel confident and comfortable. In short, tip number 3 is about adding finishing touches to your outfits to enhance your overall look and make it more polished and feminine. It is important to choose elegant pieces that complement your overall look rather than overpower it. Tip number 4, pay attention to fit. When it comes to dressing more feminine, fit is key. This means choosing clothing that fits well and flatters your body shape. Avoid clothing that is too tight or too loose, as this can make you look frumpy. Instead, choose clothing that is well tailored and fits you well. When choosing clothing, it is important to consider the cut of the item. Feminine clothing often has a more fitted waist and hips and flares out at the skirt or pants. This helps to create an hourglass shape and accentuate curves. In addition, clothing that is too tight can be unflattering and make it difficult to move comfortably. Also, paying attention to details like hem lengths, necklines, and sleeve lengths can also help to create a more feminine look. For example, dresses and skirts that fall just above or below the knee can be more feminine than those that fall at the ankle or mid-calf. In summary, paying attention to fit can all help to create a more feminine look when dressing. It is important to find clothing that fits well and flatters your body with appropriate hemlines and necklines to enhance your femininity. Tip number 5, embrace your own personal style. It is important to remember that dressing more feminine is not about conforming to societal standards or following the latest fashion trends. It is about finding a style that makes you feel confident and comfortable and that expresses your individuality. Embrace your own personal style and don't be afraid to be unique. This is an important aspect of dressing more femininely. It is important to remember that femininity is not defined by a specific set of clothing or a certain look, but rather how a woman carries herself and feels in her clothing. Embracing your own personal style means getting to know yourself, your body, and your preferences. This means experimenting with different clothing styles, colors, and fabrics to find what makes you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. Some women may feel more feminine in dresses and skirts, while others may feel more feminine in pants and a blouse. Some may prefer bold, bright colors, while others may prefer more muted or neutral tones. It is important to find what works for you and what makes you feel good. It is also important to not compare yourself to others and avoid feeling pressure to conform to societal expectations of femininity. Everyone is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It is important to be true to yourself and find what makes you feel confident and comfortable. In summary, embracing your own personal style is an important aspect of dressing more femininely. It means getting to know yourself and not compare yourself to others. It is important to find what makes you feel confident and comfortable and to be true to yourself when it comes to your own personal style. Remember, dressing more feminine is about finding a style that makes you feel confident and comfortable and that expresses your individuality. By experimenting with different styles, colors, and accessories, you can achieve a more feminine look that is true to who you are. Thank you so much for watching, ladies. I will see you in the next video.